Hi, my name's David from heatpumpsforpools.com, and today we're going to show you how to cure the E9 error on a swimming pool heat pump from DVT. This type of controller and display is typically used in the VA-WPH40, 35 and 60 models of swimming pool heat pump. A common problem is an E9 error, and we're just going to show you today how to recreate that and how to fix it. So what we've done here is we've got a board and a display. We sell these parts on our store, heatpumpsforpools.com. If you need these parts, we'll be happy to supply them to you. But we've just knocked up a model here so we can show you how to recreate the error. So first of all, we've got a normal Cat 5 cable. You can buy these in any computer store. It's a straight through cable, and this will work fine. The problem comes if you use the wrong type of cable and a crossover cable, and that can cause the E9 error. So first of all, we're going to power up the unit with the normal cable. So first of all, we've powered the unit up, and straight away you can see the display is now on. The red light is flashing on the board to show that there's communication between the display and the board. So this is a good sign. And if you can see the display here, you can see I can adjust the set temperature up and down. We can turn the unit off. We can then turn it back on again. This is how it should look with no major errors on the system. So if you notice, we're not getting an E9 fault, and the red light is flashing away. So now what we're going to do is swap it to the other cable, crossover cable. So we'll remove the standard Cat 5 cable and we'll replace it with a crossover cable. Okay, and this is where we believe the problem can occur. Okay, so we're going to fit the standard cable now, and what we're going to do now is power the board back on. Now this board has actually come on, it looks okay, but here we go, we've got the E9 error that's now appeared on the display. You can actually hear the board beeping. Also, if you notice, the red light on the board is no longer flashing, showing there's no communication, there's not proper communication between the board and the display. So we believe that if you're using the wrong type of cable, this is how the E9 error can occur on this type of controller. It can be resolved by just using a straight through cable. Now if I just show you the difference in the cable types, you may not be able to see this clearly on the video, but you can tell what type of cable you've got if you hold the two pins together. This is the correct cable. You'll see that the pins are the same on both plugs. They're exactly the same wiring configuration. Whereas if we look at the crossover cable, which is the one that gives the E9 error fault, if you hold them two together, you'll see the colours are actually slightly different. They're not the same between the two plugs. So if you've got a cable like this, you need to change it for a standard Cat 5 cable, and then you will not get the E9 error. Okay, my name's David from heatpumpsforpools.com. We hope this has been a useful video and will help you rectify your problems. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact us via the website at heatpumpsforpools.com. Thanks very much.